Hey guys, welcome back to another DIY. Let's get started on our 2-minute mug cake. You're going to start off with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Now you want to whisk together all of these ingredients until it is perfectly blended. So next you want to add your wet ingredients. That would be 3 tablespoons of melted butter, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 3 tablespoons of milk. Now stir until smooth. Next, fold in 2 tablespoons of the chocolate of your choice. I'm using semi-sweet chocolate chips. Pour the batter into a microwave-safe mug or dish, leaving space at the top to keep it from overflowing as it cooks. And finally, microwave on high for 1 to 2 minutes. You can jazz it up by adding the topping of your choice, or keep it plain. Enjoy!